Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Is it an iPhone? Is it a weapon? Let's find out. What's up, guys? Let's go ahead and take a look at the newest arrival. Not this, but over there. There's a new version of the stun gun case for the new iPhone 8 and 7 series. And much like the older cases, it accomplishes one thing, and that is to scare the crap out of you or an attacker, or possibly even your iPhone, which I'll be testing it on. So it's a more deadly, and by deadly I mean dangerous version of this case, more volts, more amperage. It's just all around scary. Scarier than that. That's hard to believe. So let's take a look at the newest version of this case for the newest iPhones. Oh my gosh, this thing is seriously terrifying. All right, and here it is. Now, this version is improved in several ways, which I will mention. So versus the last one that I had for the iPhone 6 Success series, it actually has more voltage. So now has 7 million volts and 4 to 4.5 milliamps. And that makes it a very, very powerful stun gun by the standards set by other ones. And this one, of course, is built into the back of your iPhone, so you have it on you anywhere. And that's the most important part, is like having it in a situation where you wouldn't really be able to pull out a regular stun gun. This one is just right there and available to be activated right away. All right, and here it is. So another big change to this case is the fact that it has a larger battery, so you can actually charge up your phone and use it as a battery case, not only as a stun gun, but also it has a backup reserve. So even if you drain the entire battery recharging your iPhone, it'll still have enough juice, so you can activate the stun gun feature in case of an emergency. So they really thought out all situations, which I like. All right, so immediately you can see the design has slightly been updated. This is actually illegal in several states, so do the research. Make sure that you know that it's available in your province. I believe all of Canada, it's illegal there. Of course, do not take this on an airplane. You will get detained. They will take it from you. And of course, it does double as a very durable case for your iPhone. So, you know, there's that also. A lot of benefits here. And let's see if there's anything changed with the design. So this is like a black version. Not that I can see, it still unplugs here. So you can just use this as a case, take it off, and then have that separate part available to use with your iPhone, or just as a standalone stun gun if you really want to. As you can see, the button design has been updated slightly. So, a little design, a little bit more apparent what's going on. All right, it's a little different up top too. Oh yeah, it's a little rubber seal. So it basically cleans the prongs just in case you get anything on it, like moisture. By the way, this thing works in the rain as well, so pretty nice feature. It's not disabled by the weather. You can still have it work perfectly there. All right, so I'm gonna pull the prongs out here. Oh man, yeah, wow. Those are huge. Talk about intimidating. Those prongs are seriously massive, way larger than the last version. Holy crap. So that can really dig into the skin. And in my last video, I actually didn't use it very properly. You're supposed to actually jab it into the skin, and that way the electric shock disperses more heavily. I was literally just touching the tip of my skin, so it wasn't really that effective. But here, as you can see, wow, quite a difference there. A lot scarier looking. So let's see what kind of damage this thing can do to an iPhone. Last time it just messed with it with the display controller, just made it play around, look kind of funny. Let's see if this time it can actually cause some real damage to a series of devices. I'm going to start with the new Nokia 3310. The last time I tested it with the old version, it survived with flying colors. So let's see this time around what it'll do. And of course, anti-electric shock gloves. All right, and first off, let me place a actual iPhone inside of here, and a really great fit, very comfortable. That is an iPhone 8 series. Oh, so now there's a little indicator that it is in the on position, which is a nice little update. And yeah, it is glowing around the button, so you know that it is ready and charged. And here we go, first test. And then this one. So it does have a better high voltage generator, as the company did tell me, but it doesn't sound as intimidating as the 6 Success version. Sadly, not as intimidating as the last version. I mean, the prongs definitely more so, but the sound, not so much. All right, let's test out this right here. Hopefully I don't get shocked. This is the new Nokia 3310. Let's try the port. Stick this in there. Wow, how is this thing so resilient? Let's try the micro USB. Oh my gosh, what was that? Oh wow. Oh my gosh, I did not expect that to actually happen. Oh, Oh man. I'm feeling tingles in my fingers. It's literally shocking me through the phone. Wow. Okay, that was unbelievably fun. Holy crap. Let's see if I can get it to turn on. Okay. See, I completely screwed the display up. I'm smelling like fried electronics. Let's see if I can get it to reset and look normal. That completely destroyed it. Yep, it's gone. So if you guys want a quick way to destroy your phone, that is how to do it. Let's see what kind of effect it has on the iPhones, because I did not expect that, seriously. Okay, let's start with an iPhone 8 here. So this is one of them from earlier videos, still works though. iPhone 8 versus iPhone 8. Oh man, I was touching the display. So it is moving it into different modes here. Oh, is that it? Are you serious? The phone literally just died. I did not think it would be so fast. At least have some fun with it. It's literally just dead. Let's see if I can hard reset this, but wow. Oh, okay. It turned on. Holy crap, this thing is more powerful. The last version did not do this, and I hope that it's gonna turn on. Let's try that again on the home screen. Nope, can't move it. It's literally activating all these weird menus. Okay, let's try the metal border here. Oh man. So if I remember correctly, the actual display controller should be down here somewhere. Ooh, all right. Oh, wow. Okay. Something just happened. Okay. Still working. We're good. Okay, home button's working again. I just kicked it into working. Wow. It's flickering now. That is so much fun. I did not think that this would work so well on this iPhone. Holy crap. So I can only imagine on the OLED what that'll do. Oh my gosh, that is bad. There it goes. Okay, and moment of truth now. So this is fully working iPhone 10 and versus a 7 million volt jolt. Here we go. Oh man. Definitely does affect it. But it's not as bad as the iPhone 8, surprisingly. Let's try up here. Let's try the border stainless steel here. Yeah, definitely not as bad, not affected like the iPhone 8 was. Let me try down here. The port. Let me actually stick the prong in there. It's seriously not doing anything, which I am so surprised by. Wow. So the iPhone 10 is definitely resistant to electric shock somehow. Wow, well, that did surprise me. I didn't expect such amazing results. Let's actually turn the camera on, see what it sees. Oh man, did you see that? It just glitched. Oh my gosh, I'm having way too much fun with this. So surprisingly unaffected, working perfectly. I couldn't find a bad spot on it. And for this video, I also wanted to throw in an iPad, see if it will cause damage to an iPad. And this is the 10.5 edition. Let's see what it can do. Absolutely nothing. Oh, okay. This thing literally just shut off. Wow, it will not turn on. What the heck? Oh, okay, there it is. So going into the port completely just reset it. Let me try that again on the iPhone. So guys, there it is. That is the latest version of the Yellow Jacket case. It is seriously awesome. It is dangerous. It is not a toy like I'm toying with it, but it can actually save your life in one of those situations. So I'll leave a link to where you guys can buy it down below. Seriously, one of the coolest and most dangerous gadgets I've ever had the pleasure of toying with. So there will be a link down below in the description. Soon there will be an iPhone 10 version. I'll cover that when it's out. But otherwise, the iPhone 10 survived spectacularly against the stun gun case, so I was quite impressed by its resiliency. The iPhone 8 even was more affected, but still survived. Nokia though, I think it is toast. Like, the display was just shot. Yeah, bye-bye. This thing actually finally died somehow. So guys, thanks for watching. I had a lot of fun, way more fun than I should have doing this. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Peace.